Converting decimals into fractions. Make maths easy. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating part of English numbers and counting. Our focus for today is on writing decimals as fractions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily convert decimals into fractions and understand the relationship between them better. Before we start converting, let's understand what decimals and fractions are. Decimals are a way of representing numbers that are not whole. For example, the number 1.5 represents 1.5. On the other hand, fractions also represent numbers that aren't whole, but they do this by showing how many parts of a whole we have. For example, the fraction 1/2 also represents 1.5. Can you see that 1.5 and 1/2 are the same? That's right, they are both ways of representing numbers that aren't whole, and they can often represent the same amount. Now, let's learn how to convert a decimal to a fraction. 1. Write down the decimal divided by 1. For example, if your decimal is 0.75, then you would write it as 0.751. 2. Multiply both top and bottom by 10 for every number after the decimal point. For 0.75, there are two numbers after the decimal point, so we would multiply the top and bottom by 100 to get 75/100ths. 3. Simplify the fraction, if needed. 75/100ths can be simplified to 3/4 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor, which in this case is 25. So, 0.75 as a fraction is 3/4. Now that you've learned the steps, it's time to practice. Take a few examples of decimals and try to convert them into fractions. Example 1. Convert 0.5 into a fraction. Example 2. Convert 0.25 into a fraction. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any concept. We've reached the end of our journey today. Now, you have a new skill in your toolbox, converting decimals to fractions. Remember, don't be afraid to practice and use this skill whenever you can. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wonderful world of numbers in English. Until next time, happy learning!